In this evening's health report, we'll look at the essential role of an MRI.
A magnetic resonance imaging MRI is a non-invasive procedure that creates a series of detailed images of areas inside the body. Medical professionals use this technology to examine organs, tissues, and the skeletal system.
There is no ionizing radiation to the MRI process. So while X-rays may emit radiation that can ionize your atoms in your body, MRI doesn't do that. It's relatively very safe in that respect. But it's a scanning tool where you go and you lie down in the machine and they scan the body at a particular area that we have a concern about.
While most MRI exams are painless, some individuals may experience discomfort due to the need to remain still for an extended period, typically between 30 minutes to an hour. Others may feel anxious due to the enclosed space or because of the loud noises generated by the machine.
If you have a particular spine tumor, a suspicion of a tumor in the spine, in addition to doing your X-ray and your CT scan also, depending, they may ask for a CT scan, a MRI of the spine. Persons who have like tumors, like bone tumors, osteosarcomas and stuff, when we pick it up on the X-rays, we may also add doing an MRI to see the extent of the disease, because the MRI can pick up the soft tissues better than even the CT scan and the plain X-rays.
The cost of an MRI scan varies significantly depending on factors such as the type of scan, location, and the healthcare provider. For instance, an MRI of the brain may cost around 50 to 60,000 Jamaican dollars, while an MRI of the breast can be around 70,000 Jamaican dollars. However, Dr. Cornwell points out that these prices are generally much more affordable compared to those offered outside of Jamaica.
I know that there are people who absolutely can't afford because we have various structures and there isn't equity. But if you have a test to do, you first check the public system to see if it's available. If it is not available, then you check the private system and rally around persons to assist with you getting these tests. There's even things like the Chase Fund and NHF that has helped with persons getting certain testings and stuff that helps to kind of ease the burden.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.